Hey guys, many of you asked me that how to convert your gray hairs into black hairs without using any dye or color. So I'm gonna tell you how you can use black tea for your hairs, and also this will treat your dandruff. As you can see, I'm suffering dandruff these days. For healthy and strong hairs, all you need is black tea. Black tea will not only convert your gray hairs into black hairs, it will also treat your dandruff, make your hairs stronger and shinier than before, and it will overall take care of your hairs. It also helps in hair growth. So let's begin with the video. I'm taking a 1 cup water in a pot, and as you can see, my 1 cup measurement is this. I'm placing the pot on the flame, and I'm gonna wait till the water get boiled, and then I will add 1.5 spoon tea powder. You can add 2 to 3 spoon of black tea powder in 1 cup of water. The stronger the tea is, the better the result. Now bring the water to couple of boils and then switch off the flame. Put the black tea aside and wait for few minutes to get it cool down. Once it's done, strain the water and store it in spray bottle. Now spray this black tea all over your scalp to get rid of your gray hairs and dandruff and to make your hair shiny and softer. It is optional to add lemon. You can also add lemon to add more shine and luster to your hairs. Some people can't stand the smell of black tea, but I don't mind it. My nose is not so ultra sensitive, but if yours is, then you can spray some rose water on the top of your black tea spray. Use this black tea spray before 45 minutes of your shampoo. After 45 minutes, shampoo your hairs and then again rinse your hairs with black tea. Then do not do shampoo again, or don't use plain water. Also leave your hairs with black tea water only, so that the black color of the black tea should stain in your hair or scalp. Spraying black tea and rinsing your hairs with black tea help your hairs to hold the natural black color of black tea, and thus help your hairs, your gray hairs, to get natural black color, and it will convert your gray or white hairs into black hairs like this. Without using any color or dye, you will get your natural black color. Repeating this thrice a week for 2 months will give you natural black color. So just try this and leave your query in the comment section. You can also use this leftover black tea as your face toner. I'm having oily skin, and that can be used by any kind of skin except the sensitive one. Now you can see how my scalp is looking. It is so clean, and as you can see, my hairs are looking shinier than before, and they're so soft. I can feel that. I just loving them, how beautiful they are. I just love them. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. Leave your love, queries, request in comment section. I will get back to you in couple of days. Till the next time, take care of your health and of your health.